Hi Fam Bam! I'm with Davon. We're here sa shop kasi magpapalit kami ng winter tires for the other car, right? Are you having fun so far? Oh, oh. Okay. Ayan na. And then gustong makita ng anak kong i-lift yung car. And he was asking bakit daw i-drive ng isang tao yung car namin. So we're just waiting for the guy to be here. And yun yung shop namin. Papalit lang ng winter tires. Kasi dito sa Alberta kailangan talagang naka-winter tires para super safe, lalo na pag you're driving with kids. Hindi pwedeng hindi naka-winter tires. For me. Yung iba kasi hindi pa rin sila nagwo-winter tires. So well, that's their decision, but for me driving with kids and then nagsusnow, hindi pwedeng hindi siya naka-winter tires. Right, kuya?
Opo.
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 Okay, so there's our car. Ayan na yung car natin, kuya. Ayan na. Woo! Makita nililift nila yung car. Yun na. Ba yan? Okay po. Mabilis na yan.
Oh no, the wheel is broken. Oh
No, it's not broken. Sinuwalag nila. Because they're going to change it to winter tires. Tama.
Yeah.
Opo.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. It's dirty. It's dirty. It's dirty. Well,
Dirty. So, front tires lang kasi na yung likod naka-winter tires na. Kahit nung summer yun nandun yung gamit ko naka-winter tires na. But then yung harap ay naka-summer tires, so yun yung papalit. Yep. All is good. Dito lang. Wait lang. Sobrang saglit lang na to. Kasi everything's automated. Yeah. Dito lang ako sa malapit sa bayan. Actually, it's northeast Calgary lang din. Yung it's noisy, so yeah, that's all. It's done. Yeah, come here. Show you. Okay. You look at the mechanic. He's very good. Oh, he's going to tighten it. See? Look. Oh. Is that cool? Is that cool? Galing? Galing?
Why are we doing
Yes, because that's our...
Eternity later.
Look at my son. Anong position yan, kuya? Push up? Ganyan kami kagulo sa bahay. Kuya, what are you doing? What are you doing? Tell daddy. And yan naman ang bunso. Keep on jumping.
Mommy. Oh. Mommy, I want the paper.
Bakit?
Because Mommy, can I play with the Barbies?
Bakit?
I want to play with the Barbies.
Bakit gusto mo mag-play sa Barbie, kuya?
Light.
Kasi?
Kuya, let's come.
Sa taas?
The light is on.
Akyat kayo dun sa taas. Sige, go. Akyat kayo dun sa taas, the other room. Doon na kayo dun. Okay, bye guys. See you later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dad. I'm going to work.
Okay, let's go.
Woo. Let's go.
You say hi to the video.
Hi.
There.
Hi, Fam. Hi, Fam. 1, 2, 3, jump higher and move. No,
Hi fam, good afternoon. So, palabas kami ngayon ng townhouse namin. And then, kasamang kiddos kasi magpe-playground. And it's 16 degrees here in Calgary. So, medyo okay ang panahon. So, luckily for the kids, we can go out. Halika na. Let's go.
Daddy, that one is not taking off.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi, Fam. Oh.
Let's go. Ayan. So para tayong mother duck. Nakasunod lang ang mga baby ducks. Okay, be careful. Baka may car. Okay, doon tayo sa kabila. Doon tayo sa kabila, mga anak. Come on. Dito po. Dito po. Doon. Yung playground mo doon sa school mo. Bilis. Kasi that's big.
This one, this way, this way, this way, this way. Wait, watch out!
So ganito lang lagi yung ginagawa namin pag medyo may free time and it's Saturday today.
That's great! That's
So Mommy Donna is at work. So ako ang bahala with the kids. Lagi talaga yun silang masaya pag pumunta ng playground. Okay, wait. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. It's a popsicle. Come on, let's go. Kuya, you need to wait for me. Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Kaliwa, kaliwa. Here. Here, there. There, there. Not so fast, ah. Not so fast. Kuya, not so fast. Yan, so ito yung community namin. We're near Apostles of Jesus School. It's a Catholic school. Doon nagsi-school si Davon for kindergarten. So, syempre, doon na rin siya elementary or primary school. So, walking distance lang actually. Kuya, you're too far. You're too far. You need to wait for Lian. So maganda actually yung community dito. And yan, the dream, detached front garage. Okay, go. So punta na kami dito sa parang open field, the park. So we could just walk, walang mga cars. Dito kuya, dito, not there. Come on. Come on. You're tired, huh? What? That can't be. Wala pa tayo sa playground. Andun. Okay, go and run. Go and run. You can see the playground now. There, oh. Ayun, oh. Wow. Wow. Ayun na yung playground, Leah. Yan. Saya nila. Who's happy? Who's happy, Lian? You need to face me. You need to look at Daddy. Who's happy? So, siyang open field. Yan. And then may mga bahay dyan. And this is Davon's Catholic School, Apostles of Jesus School in Skyview, northeast of Calgary. Oh, so nandun pala din sa kabila, that one, yan naman yung public school. I think that's Prairie Elementary School. So, yeah, very close talaga yung townhouse namin dito sa playground and sa mga school. So, very convenient. And then, 10 minutes away lang din yung work ni Tona, which is airport. Nandun lang banda. Nandun. So after this building, siguro a few 10 minutes pa. 10 minutes drive. Then nasa airport na. So dito lang ang mga kids. Where's Lianica? Where's Lianica? You're doing the monkey bar? Okay, do you want daddy to hold you with the monkey bar? Okay po. No, two. Okay, the other one. Okay, I iwan you now. Okay, go with the monkey bar. Don't iwan you, okay po. Okay, more pa. One more. Yay! Very good. Yeah. And then go up from there. Okay. Elise, can you do it? Can you do it? Or mahirap? Mahirap? Hindi po. Oh, nandun na si Lian. Ang bilis ni Lian. Yan. Siguro ito yung mga few times na makakapag-playground pa sila kasi magwi-winter na talaga. Oh wow! Galing ni Lian. You can't stand up, Lian, after the slide? Ang galing ah. Okay, kuya. Your turn. Nice one.
Now I like it.
Yeah. Ayun, aakyat na ulit si Lian. Magsa-slide, I think si Lian ulit. Dito naman, Lian. Dito, slide ka dito. Bilis. Ayan. Oh, no. Yeah, properly. Galing. Galing ng baby girl ko. Are you still a baby, Lian? No. You're what? Big girl. Okay. You can do it. You can do it. Galing. Pag naano na talaga nila, pag nadaanan na, alam na nila kung paano gawin sa the next time. Galing ng mga kids. Galing. Who's the big girl now? You? Okay. Just need to be careful. Oh, that's too high. Not there. Doon tayo. Balik tayo doon kay Kuya. Because Kuya is there. Let's go back to Kuya. You wait. Wait, Kuya. Wait daw, Kuya. Yay! Galing! Drink muna ng water? Drink muna tayo ng water? Opo, okay po. Wait for Lian again. Wait for Lian, Kuya. Asus.
Where's the...
Okay, drink muna ng water. This is for Lian. It's for Kuya Davon. May isang friend silang bata. Sumusunod sa kanila. Okay, wait. Lian, where's your water bottle? You need to put it inside the bag. Come on. Okay. Akin na po. Akin na.
What do you mean, sunod, sunod?
Sunod is you follow. It's following. Come on. No, that's your friend. That's your friend. Okay, let's go. Okay. Help Daddy to put it here. Nasaan si Kuya? Lian? Lian, nasaan si Kuya? Lianica?
Is there?
Kuya is there. Doon tayo sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Okay. I just want to go and sing. Ooh.
Oh, her name too is Lian. Alright. You be careful, Kuya.
Daddy, ah! Daddy, higher. Daddy, higher. Whee! In the sky, up above. Yeah!
Wee! Wee! I'm higher, Leah. Yeah, come here. Come here. Swing ka dito. Halika. Halika, swing ka dito, Kuya. Come here. Ayan, Kuya, let's go. Punta kami sa isang playground pa. Gusto pa ng mga kids. Pero it's getting darker actually. And may nakikita kami mga design ng mga bahay for Halloween. Ayun, Kuya, that's scary. Look at that. Look at that. Ano yan, mga kamay? Kamay? Dito, hold. You need to hold Daddy's hand. Yan, ganda. Ganda ng design nila. It moves, Clean. You look at this. It moves. No, we're not going there. Come on. Okay. There's a big one here. There's a big one. Here. Dito tayo magwo-walk. Takot na takot si Lian. Ayun, Lian, oh, you look at that. Doon sa roof. Doon sa roof. Yan. Oh, ayun pa. Oh, do you want Daddy to papa them? Huh? You want Daddy to papa the monsters?
Yes.
Opo. How about you? Do you want Daddy to papa the monsters?
Yes, I don't.
But Daddy's scared too. Daddy's going to run. Okay, let's go.
Daddy,
Bye, monsters. You say bye, monsters.
Daddy, if the monster go here, you run away like this.
Oh, pag nandyan yung monsters.
Yes.
Don't kick Daddy. Ayan, nandito kami sa isang playground. Gusto pa daw nilang maglaro. So, pero mas malapit na to sa bahay. Sobrang lapit na. Like, nandun yung townhouse namin. Ayan. So it's like 1 block away. So pinagbibigyan kasi hindi masyadong malamig, walang snow, and I think isa to sa mga last playground na nila. And yun ang panganay. I don't know, nami-mesmerize ata sa clouds. Kasi maganda din yung clouds. Ayan. So nami-mesmerize siya. Okay, anak. What do you want? What were you saying? Ayaw mo na dyan? Ayaw na? You wanna go with kuya? Okay, sabihin mo gusto ko pumunta kay kuya. Pumunta to kuya. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Enough?
Enough.
Enough? Okay, enough.
I win. Fair and square. Yeah.
So, pumunta pa kami dito sa isang playground. Gusto pa ng mga batang maglaro. Yeah. Taking advantage of the weather kasi walang snow. It's 16 degrees here in Calgary. So, ayun, this is our Saturday. Pag walang... Oh, you want me to turn it? Okay, pag walang... Yeah, for a while. Daddy's just saying bye-bye to Alba Fam Bam. How about you guys say bye-bye to Alba Fam Bam? Bye-bye, Alba Fam Bam. Peace! Hang loose! Ikaw na ba?
I'm blue.
Hang loose. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you sa panonood and pagsama sa amin. Mag-enjoy yung mga kiddos. And bye-bye, Alba Fam Bam. Hang loose.